Shane Robinson here, Team Robinson Motorsports. I've got my G-code file all loaded in the BurnTables software. So we're going to go ahead and cut out Arizona, shape of the Arizona state with the Kokopelli in it, one of our art cutout pieces. And we'll be cutting it underwater on the BurnTable with a hypertherm plasma cutter. So I'll let you guys watch. Hit start. Alright. I've already programmed the 0, 0 point. All the settings. I raised the water in the table. Actually, we'll go ahead and raise that water a little bit higher because it's blowing it out of the way. There we go. Now it's staying underwater. If you don't have the water level set high enough, the air from the plasma cutter will actually blow the water out of the way. So now I'll let you guys watch. Cutting out our lettering right now. Finished cutting the lettering on top. It says Golden Springs. Now it's cutting out the Kokopelli design. Now we're cutting out the Kokopelli shape. Alright, now it should cut out the shape of the state of Arizona. Alright, that's it. Take my magnet, pull the piece out. Nice and cool since we cut it underwater. We've worked and worked on getting the settings right on this piece. Over here, screen. Over here. We've got this piece down to 2 minutes and 33 seconds to cut it out entirely. And that's the metal base. It'll fold freestand and the center folds out, and then I put the rest patina on it. That's it. Thank you guys very much.